Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve for the value of g in these equations? We have solution from here. So given that g multiplied by g, that gives us g raised to power 3 minus g times g, that is g squared. So when we take ordinate here, we have minus ordinate equals 0. And let's try to note that if we have 125 minus 25, this equals 1 ordinate. Then from here, we have g raised to power 3 minus g squared minus open bracket 125 minus 25 equals 0. Then when we open this parenthesis, we have g raised to power 3 minus g squared minus 125 plus 25 equals 0. And then let's try to rewrite this thing as in exponent form. We have g raised to power 3 minus g raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 2 equals 0. And then we are going to combine this based on the degree of g and the degree of 5. So we have g raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3, this in bracket, minus g raised to power 2 plus 5 raised to power 2 equals 0. And then we have g raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 in bracket. When we take minus out, we have this as g raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2 equals 0. Then let's see this important 2 identity. Suppose we have x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3. This equals x minus y multiplied by x squared plus xy plus y squared. And also when we have x squared minus y squared, this equals x minus y multiplied by x plus y. So these 2 identities, they are very important for solving this problem. Then at this line, we are going to rewrite this as g minus 5 in bracket, open bracket, g squared plus 5g plus 5 squared, and also minus open bracket, so g squared minus 5 squared, that becomes g minus 5 multiplied by g plus 5, and this equals 0. And let's try to look at these two. At this point, we have this as g minus 5, and this is also having g minus 5. By factoring out g minus 5, we are going to have g minus 5 in bracket, then open bracket. When we divide this one by g minus 5, we have this as g squared plus 5g plus 5 squared. And also this one, when we divide it by g minus 5, we have minus g open bracket plus 5, and this equals 0. So I have to create another bracket because of this negative. And then here is g minus 5 bracket g squared plus 5g plus, so 5 squared is 25, and when we open this bracket with negative, we have minus g minus 5 equals 0. And then in the next step, we have g minus 5 multiplied by g squared, so 5g minus g, that is plus 4g plus 25 minus 5, that is 20, equals 0. And for this expression to be equals to 0, it means that we are going to let g minus 5 equals 0, or we let g squared plus 4g plus 20 equals 0. So there are two cases here which we are going to solve, and let's see how we can get the value of g. So for the first one, this shows that the value of g here equals 5, and here is the first solution to this. And also for this one, we have g squared plus 4g plus 20 equals 0. And from here, let's say we transfer 20 to other side. We have g squared plus 4g equals minus 20. Then we have 4, which we can divide this 4 by 2. Let's say we have 4 divided by 2. That gives us 2. Then let's raise this 2 by squared. So we have 2 squared. And let's say I add this 2 squared to both sides. We have g squared plus 4g plus 2 squared equals minus 20 plus 2 squared. And then, so when we compress this, we are going to have this as g plus 2 squared equals minus 20 plus 2 squared, that is 4. And then we have g plus 2 squared equals minus 20 plus 4, that is minus 16. And we have to take the square root of both sides, as we have g plus 2 squared. When we take the square root of it, equals plus or minus square root of minus 16. And next, we have this cancelled. G plus 2 equals plus or minus. So square root of minus 16, that is 4i. And by taking 2 to other side, we have g equals minus 2 plus or minus 4i. So which we can conclude from here that g1 equals 5, which is the real solution. And also we have g2, which is minus 2 plus 4i, and we have g3, which is minus 2 minus 4i. And this is how we solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.